Passion plays.
Y'all, first thing I'm going to do is start on my brows. I'm going to go in with my brow palette and take the darkest shade and carve out the outer half of my brow. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter shade and carve out the inner part of my brow. And it's going to cause an ombre effect to make it look a little more natural. Going to blend that out, brush it out, and then I'm going to outline with concealer. If y'all want a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, just let me know. I say that I do think that you should always, that would be better. I say that I do think that you should always, that would be better.
Passion plays.
Alright, so now I'm going to take that concealer from under my eyebrow and blend that down into my eyelid. This just keeps me from having to add primer. I just use my concealer as a primer. And so I'm going to cover and blend my eyelids with concealer because I'm about to do my shadow. I think I want to do something with burgundy because I've never used, I want to use this color right here. This is called, no, I want to use this color right here called Glow in my crease. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. Let me find it. It's my favorite brush. It's a little dirty, but it's okay. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this. And I'm about to take this color Glow and I'm going to start in my crease. Okay, no, I'm not. Take that back. I'm going to Alright, so now I'm going to go with my fluffy brush, get my contour shade, go into my crease, blend it out. I'm going to put that plum color on top of that because I want to make it look smoky. Alright, so now I'm about to go in with concealer and put that in the inner corner of my eye just to lighten it up. And I'm going to put a pretty highlight shade over that to give myself some shimmer. And then I'm going to go in on top of that with this glitter sparkle color from my Makeup Revolution palette. And I'll put that in the description box.
Passion plays. make makeup.
Don't come make fun of me. You're gonna make me nervous.
Eyeshadow on top of the other eyeshadow. Get this brush. Brush it up.
Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to take my eyeliner. It's I think it's Revlon Color Stay, and I'm gonna put that across my eyelids, a thin line across my eyelids, and then I'm gonna take my eyelash glue after that dries and apply it over that and onto my lashes so that I can apply them. Passion plays. Alright, so now I'm going to take my concealer, put it on my under eye, my forehead, down the center of my nose, and on my chin. I'm going to blend that out as best as I can. Okay, so next I'm going to take my foundation and treat it as a concealer. I'm going to put that around the outer parts of my face because I just feel like it makes my whole face blend better. But I will end up using a contour powder to go over this. Passion plays. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and contour with my angle fluffy brush. And I'm going to contour my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline. And you'll see this kind of just brings it all together. I think a contoured forehead is just so cute. Passion plays. Alright, so this video is about to come to an end. After I got done recording, I did set my under eye with translucent powder, and I did spray my face with NYX matte spray or something like that. But yes, I hope you guys like this video, and let me know if you want more. Okay, what's up, y'all? This is my first recorded video, so I'm still learning how to introduce myself. But I am about to put y'all on real quick. If you are new to makeup and you want to try and you've never tried it before, I just ordered some brushes from Amazon. They were 32 brushes for $17, which is a steal. And honestly, I just used them to create this look. So you get brush thing. But all of the black brushes that you see are really soft. And I got all of these brushes for $17. And they come with a case at link below, because I feel like, why not put people on? But yeah, if you like this look, let me know. I'm not sure what I want to do next. Maybe I think I want to do more of a nude, like everyday makeup kind of look. If that's something you want to see, leave a comment below if you like this look or you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.